Hey everybody, I wanted to do this reminder for next month's Subliminal, how to make Subliminal class online, free class, completely free, no catches, and that is beginning January 10th, right? 20 more days, 19 days for some of you, and it's going to be Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That way our brothers and sisters in India are able to join us. Terrific, right? And the last class earlier this year, I had taught the class, and then afterwards a lot of people were upset or, disappointed they were not able to attend the class. So this is me, making a second official notice through this video, and I'm going to do some posts on the YouTube channel. I know YouTube doesn't, always show every video you upload or post you make to every one of your subscribers. So I am going to be uploading this video most likely a few more times. As I said, making a few more posts. If you are interested in joining the class, which is going to be 9:30 p.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, starting next month, January 10th, go ahead and send me a video. I want you to send me a video application to the email I am going to list in the comment section and the description of this video. And in the video, you are going to answer 4 questions that I want you to answer, which are going to help me better understand why you want to join the class. We have 12 spots, and I believe we're about halfway full right now. So we've got 20 more days. And if we do hit 12 spots full, it's going to turn into an application process where I will be selecting 12 people. And most likely this will be the only class I teach this upcoming year. I do have some other projects I'm starting in February, March, so I won't have the time to teach this class again. I am very excited. I am very grateful for this opportunity myself to be able to serve and have my community work or nonprofit work. So this is, my nonprofit work, my community work to give back to humanity. So myself, I'm also grateful for this opportunity. The last class was a huge success. I still talk to a lot of the class mates. We're actually working on Distress Signal, or the child sex trafficking charity coin that I'm going to be relaunching in February. Maybe March, beginning of March, we're going to be relaunching the charity coin Distress Signal, and the people I'm working with, the amazing team that I have the privilege to lead, 2 of them I actually met from teaching the class. So it is a networking opportunity too. I look forward to networking and always being here. Many of the class members, I don't really talk to them. They kind of do their own thing. We all understand how Saluk is, right? I don't give advice, or I don't just pop up or force my way in people's lives. I prefer more of a guidance rule, more of a, I'm here whenever someone needs me, and when they do need me, they know they can rely on me. Submit your applications if you want to join the class. I'm very excited, like I said, to meet some of you. The applicants who have applied so far all seem like very amazing, very open-minded and bright individuals, very beautiful souls that I'm excited to meet. So have a beautiful day, guys. Have a beautiful Christmas. Have a beautiful New Year's. And may all of your resolutions manifest.